Geometry course, we're looking at surface area and volume of cylinders today. When we talk about surface area, we'll be talking about two different types of surface area. The lateral surface area, which is just the sides. Think of if you have a soup can and you pull off the label, that label makes the lateral surface area. And then we have the complete surface area, which adds in both those bases. Just a reminder here on parts of our cylinder, the base refers to the top circular area and the bottom circular area. The altitude is sometimes called the height of the cylinder, and then radius is the radius of one of our bases. So first of all, let's look at the lateral surface area. Lateral surface area, again, think of this as the label of a soup can. If you imagine taking the circular area of a base and unwinding it, the length of that soup can label would then be the circumference of the circle. And the width of that soup label would be the height of the can. So our formula for the lateral surface area is 2 pi times r. Think of that as the circumference of the circle times the height of the soup can. So circumference times height will give us that lateral area. Let's try it out. Here we've got a radius of 4, so our circumference would be 2 pi times 4. And the height of our cylinder is 9. So 8 pi times 9 will give us 72 pi square feet as the lateral surface area for this can. Now, if we want to find the total surface area, we'll take that lateral surface area plus the area of each base added in there. So here you have L for our lateral surface area, B means the area of the base, and we're multiplying by 2 since there's a top and a bottom to our cylinder. Don't forget, area of a circle is pi r squared, so that's what we'll be using for the area of one of our bases. Let's check this out. So we've got a cylinder with a height of 18 and a radius of 10. Let's find the total surface area. Well, let's start with our lateral surface area. Lateral surface area we said is the circumference, 2 times pi times that radius times the height. 10 times 2 is 20 times 18 would give me 360 pi. Now let's find the area of one of our bases, pi times radius squared. We're using 10 for our radius, so that'll be 100 pi. We're going to multiply that by 2 since there are 2 bases. So we have our lateral surface area, 360 pi, plus our base times 2, 200 pi. And that total is going to be 560 pi as the complete area of our cylinder. Finding the volume of a cylinder, how much space the cylinder takes up, is found by multiplying the area of the base, pi r squared once again, times the height of the cylinder. So again, think of if we were to stack up CDs or DVDs, think of that as being the area of one of our circles. We stack those up, they start to form a cylinder. And that's what we're doing here. So let's take our area of the base, pi times radius squared, in this case our radius is 30, times the height of the cylinder. So we'll have 900 pi times 42, and that's going to come out to be about 37,800 pi. And this time we'll use a cubic measurement since we're talking about volume. 37,800 cubic meters. Thanks for watching today on the volume and surface area of a cylinder.